Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 30th, 2021. This is going to be our Polkadot price prediction. Now, could we see Polkadot actually double during the month of October? Like, can we actually see this price trade above $50 or close to $50 towards the end of October? I mean, seriously, can we really see that on the price chart? We're going to talk about that today on this video. So welcome to everyone to our YouTube channel. This is where we're able to drop price predictions on the price chart so everyone can visually see and listen to our expectations as to where price is going to go. So if today's your first time ever seeing our video and our content, welcome aboard. The doors are open. If you guys want to be a part of our community, hit that like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel. It is just that easy, just that simple. We're not here to hype you up. We're not here to persuade you in any way, shape, or form. We're literally here just to look at where price is going to go so that you and I can both eat off this market and dominate against everyone else in this space. So if that's interesting to you, guess what? Join me. It's just that simple. So check this out. You can see that we already did a price prediction in Polkadot all the way back on September the 13th. Right? So about 15 days. The market in Polkadot went down. We was expecting the price in Polkadot to go up. But take a look at where we said that the market was going to find some restriction, right? And it didn't even take long. The market price in Polkadot literally in 2 days, so maybe a day, went right up there to our restriction line. We told you that. We wasn't expecting the price in Polkadot to go any higher than that. I mean, look at it. How do we know that back on September the 13th that the market can get rejected right there on our ascending line? I mean, on our horizontal line. How do we know that? Because you can actually predict where the market is going to find restriction and where it's going to find support. Those are very important keys for us to understand when to get in and when to get out these plays. Because just imagine someone came in and told you to expect the price in Polkadot to hit $50, right? When the market was trading around 38. It could have been a lot of videos out there that told you to expect Polkadot's price to go up there towards 50, and the market cannot even break above 38. So if you guys didn't see this video, literally the next day after we concluded it, you missed out on the profitability chances, right? You missed it right there. 12.46% profitability was given to us the next day on the 14th, right there. All right, so that's done. That is over. One thing that we try to do here on this particular channel is to make sure that we stay ahead of the game. We need to make sure that we stay ahead of everyone else in this space. We don't want to be reactionary. We want to be proactive in our understanding as to where the market's going to go so that we can kick back, chill out, and just wait for the market to get where we expect it to be. So you guys can already tell, right? Look at the chart for what it is. It is the truth. You cannot persuade it. You cannot change the price bars. You cannot change the volume that came in on any particular day. This is literally in history now. We cannot come back and try to move things around to make it applicable to our situation, to make it seem or paint a picture as to what we want to see in here. No, this is actual factual right here. All right. So looking at Polkadot for what it is. What trend are we in? Right? We're in a downtrend in Polkadot. Ever since that market hit restriction on the 14th of September, we are in a downtrend. Cool. We have no problems with that. The market is dropping hints to us. It is giving us information that we need to make the rational decisions as to what we need to do. Right? The market is currently in a downtrend in Polkadot. Cool. Now, can we really see this price double in October when currently the market is in a downtrend, right? Can we see this price double, increase to around $50, $52 in October when we're in a downtrend? That's what I'm saying. We got to push all this hype aside and literally focus in on the price and the price direction. All right, cool. Now, question. Since we're in a downtrend, just by looking at this daily price chart, where do you think the market is going to find support in Polkadot? All right. Because we have already done it over the last 3 days in Polkadot. The support area currently, as of today, is right here. Okay, $26. So as I do this prediction, we need to see what is the percentage chances of Polkadot trading above $26, right? What is the likelihood of this continuing throughout the month of October? Or can we expect this price to continue to drop in Polkadot in October? So let's see. Real quick, this is the 5-day time frame into the market in Polkadot. And currently, I'm not extremely bullish in the market right now. I mean, the last 15 days in trading, the market in Polkadot has been going down. All right, cool. So we still need to be following under that same preconceived notion that the market is going to continue to go down until we see a change occur on the price chart. And right now that change hasn't happened. We need to see this price really hold support above 26 though. I'll give you that. But when you transition this over to longer time frames, right? When you look at this from a monthly perspective, since this is the last day of the month, look at this. What do you think the price in Polkadot is going to do over the next month? I mean, it was a lot of volatility for the month of September. Look at it. The price went up, price went down, and now we're currently closing towards the middle of the price bar. So who won, right? Did the buyers win? Did the sellers win in terms of trading in Polkadot for the month of September? It's kind of like a wash. So we will have to break this down and literally watch the market price move on a day-to-day basis. Okay. So look at this. What is your expectations? What would you like the market in Polkadot to do? Because we started this a very good trend into the market in Polkadot back in July, right? A lot of cryptocurrencies participated in this move that occurred in Polkadot in July, towards the end of July, and a lot of them broke it, right? Look at this. Okay. A lot of the market came in and broke this trend. And then look at this. The answers are already here on the chart to confirm what the price is going to do. So when the market in Polkadot came and broke this ascending line right here on September the 19th, we broke the trend. Market came down. We tested it again right there on the 23rd of September and we got rejected. Price came back down. So these are all information that we need to understand that the price in Polkadot is weak. I don't understand why it would be so hard to understand where market is trying to go and what it's trying to do. Based off this price getting rejected on September 23rd at this ascending line tells us that there is still weakness involved in this play, in this market. So until we see this market reclaim a new ascending trend, we need to expect either two things. One would be price to continue to consolidate, or two would be for the price to continue to go down. Okay, that is it. So the trend is broken in terms of seeing Polkadot go up right now. And this is the 2 weeks time frame, right? It kind of lets us know that the market is generally, I'm leaning more towards it being weaker than stronger as of this particular moment, right? Now I can see that there are still some demand coming into the market in Polkadot that is allowing this price to be supported at $26, right? There's still buyers here, and it's not to the point to where there's no buyers. There's enough buyers here right now in the market to Polkadot to keep the price supported. Now, they have a daunting task ahead of them to continue to maintain that price doesn't fall, because currently the market is a little bit more weaker than it is stronger, right? Now, let's do this. I'm not going to be all out bearish, but am I looking for the price in Polkadot to double right now during the month of October? No, the answer is no, I'm not, especially since we saw this price get rejected at 38. Okay. Until we see this price in Polkadot break back up above $38, there's no need for us to expect the market to double during the month of October. Okay. So currently, yes, the market is able to hold $26. Okay. Now, as long as that's the case, yes, this price prediction that I am producing is not going to be right. Right. I can actually still see the market in Polkadot try to hold $26. Okay. So let me extend this because that will literally show us that our prediction is incorrect. And I have no qualms about that. Okay. So this is currently it right now. I'm expecting the market in Polkadot just to come down slightly. I'm not expecting a massive crash. I'm not expecting the price to plummet right now. But currently, considering all the different time frames we've seen and the rejection at that ascending line that I've created earlier in the video, we need to continue to expect some slight decreases in value for Polkadot. So this is it right here. This is my expectations. I would be prepared to take that profitability off the market right there around $26 once the price comes back down to that particular level, because like I said, $26 is support in the market in Polkadot. Second area will be around 24. Okay, so it's not much, maybe 15% movement to the downside, which is nothing in the cryptocurrency space. Now if the overall bearishness continues within the cryptocurrency market, don't be surprised to see the market come down to 22. All right, so that's it. This is what I'm seeing into the market right now in Polkadot as to where I'm looking for the price to go. And guess what? Now it's your turn. Call the markets right alongside with me. This is my expectations. I want to know, what are you expecting to get out the market from Polkadot? Drop me your price prediction right now in the market for Polkadot without being confused. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, I will see you all on the next video.